Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can invite people to join a server or your own server on Discord. So select a server and then you're just going to press invite up here, and then you are either going to share, copy link, etc., or you can just straight away press invite on like the friend list here, and that's pretty much it. They're just going to press on the link that you sent to them, and then they'll be able to join your Discord. And that's it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!